Hi everyone, it's Sue and I have some big changes ahead in my channel and I would like your input. So please put in the comment section below what you think of my changes, and if you have any other ideas, I am open to suggestions. So almost 2 years into YouTube, and I thought I might like to change it up a little bit. I thought about niching down because, as you know, I like DIYs and I like art. So I thought about maybe having 2 separate channels, but I thought, no. That's me. I like art and DIY, so why not keep them together? I do already have designated days for DIYs and art, and I like the combination of different things all in one spot. Kind of like one-stop shopping, if you will. But I did decide to diversify a little bit, and most of my painting and art will be done live. Every Friday night, I am going to be doing a live stream chat with me at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you can watch me do my art and chat along with me and bring your art if you'd like to paint along as well. And I will be including some extra special guests on my live streams as well. So the last Friday of every month, I will be doing an online games night because that was so much fun when we did it before. And there will be some giveaways on those live streams, so make sure you tune in. So every Friday night, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will be doing live streams, and the last Friday of the month will be games night with some giveaways. So that was change number 1. I'm also thinking about trying out live streaming on Twitch, just to sort of broaden my horizons, have a different experience, and I would hope that some of you guys would come over and check me out on Twitch. So if you guys have any experience of live streaming on Twitch, or you have any suggestions as to what I could do on Twitch, I was thinking of doing some art, put it down in the comment section below. I really appreciate your feedback. Now also, my upload days will be changing somewhat because I am trying to do some more collaborations with other channels just to broaden my audience. So I'm not exactly sure yet what my exact schedule will be, but definitely every Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will be doing some DIYs. And also with my DIY videos, I am going to make all of them premieres. Now you may or may not know what a premiere is, but it means that you guys are the first ones to see my video go up, and you get to chat live with me while you're watching the video. So that way I get to know you a little bit better. So to mark your calendars as a definite, every Wednesday 8 p.m. will be a premiere DIY video, and every Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time will be a live paint along with me, with the last Friday of the month being a games night and giveaways. And there's a little bit more. There's going to be extra videos because of all these collaborations that are on different days, and I never really know which day they're going to be. There will be surprise videos popping up during the week, so you'll probably get at least 3 a week from me. So if you guys have any input, any comments, any questions, concerns, or queries, please put them in the comment section below. And I really do appreciate all of your support, all of your friendship, and all of your great ideas. So starting next week will be the new schedule. I will put a post in the community tab too, just so that you're clear as to when you can find me discovering the art of living here on YouTube.